Welcome to Tatsulok FB. Let's do a quick unboxing for these UAG Hack Wheels Plastic Pro Fingerboard Wheels. Aside from the wheels, we have this really nice holograph and what looks like a vinyl sticker set from UAG. The wheels are uniquely enclosed in this accordion-type cardboard packaging, thus providing a much-needed cushion for the wheels during transport. These are UAG Hack Wheels Plastic Pro Fingerboard Wheels, measuring at 8.2mm in diameter and 4.6mm wide, with a decent weight of 1.5 grams for the set, and also featuring a centrally placed ABEC 9 bearing for that premium feel. Moreover, these wheels have a decent amount of contact patch while still retaining that slim profile. Let's go ahead and install this on my fingerboard. And with the installation out of the way, let's see some clips. These wheels feel really nice, with a balanced grip and slide, making revert tricks are easy, yet precise. And the bearings are of top-notch quality, offering a silky smooth ride and would be a solid contender, if not the best in its class. So there you have it. I'll be rocking these wheels on my main set, and please do watch out for my in-depth review for these wheels only here on Tatsulok FB.